Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's tip: keep mobile first in mind. Most of the traffic nowadays when people are looking for something on the web is being done from a mobile device. About 60% of searches are happening from a phone or a tablet. So with that in mind, make sure that your website is able to be viewed and accessed through all of those different platforms, because if you don't keep mobile at the forefront of what you're doing, you're going to be missing out on the majority of your search traffic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.